We have to check in at Terminal 2, but we depart from Terminal 1. Go figure. In this crazy, crazy world. And Claire's trying to show you her passport. Just to prove it, even though it can't focus. Anyway, so yeah, we're walking over to Terminal 1. We've made it here in plenty of time, so we're gonna go through security and then get some breakfast and a coffee and relax before our flight to Borneo. Okay, so I have coffee. It makes me a happy man. We're through all the security, we've had breakfast, and now we're just sitting at our gate chilling out before our flight. It's going to be pretty short flights, 3 hours, and then when we get off the other side we're just going to get a taxi to our hotel, and then probably just crash for a bit because we haven't slept for a long time. So we're running on fumes right now, hence the massive cup of coffee in my hand. So yeah, we will see what the afternoon brings, and so will you. Hey dude, we're in Borneo.
Yeah, right.
Borneo.
Very green.
Yes.
Very flat.
Yes.
Lovely beaches.
From the air, yes.
From what we can see.
And it looks really, really hot.
Really hot.
I heard them say it was 34 degrees.
And we had to have the cabin sprayed before we went.
Because we stink. Well, that's us through immigration in Kota Kinabalu, and so now we're going to go and get our baggage and then go to a taxi to get us to our hotel. And Claire's showing me her immigration because she's really proud. So we've made it to our hotel in Kota Kinabalu. It was maybe 10-minute drive from the airport, so not far. If anyone's going to Kota Kinabalu, if you get a taxi straight from the airport, it's a fixed fee of 30 Malaysian ringgit, and that'll take you anywhere in the city, which is about £6 UK and maybe $8 US. So it's really, really cheap by any standard for an airport taxi. So our hotel, it's very basic. We did a nice hotel in Hong Kong just because I had some free rewards that I used, but now we're paying for it ourselves. This one's about £11 a night. So it's very cheap, but it's actually quite nice. The room's basic, it's got a bed, nice shower and air conditioning, and the rest of the hotel is again just basic. But it's all we need for the next few nights. For the rest of the day, I think we're just gonna relax because we still haven't slept, and maybe just go for a wander a bit later on and find some food.
You better listen up. There's not a thing that I can give from you. Boy, I don't need that much. How can I tell you what I want to do? I never needed you to.
So we just came for a wander around the streets just to have a look, and we stumbled across this massive market which is just full of fresh fruit and veg and food, and it looks like they're setting up for an evening market with barbecues and stuff. It's pretty awesome.
Where we can go, where it's always shining. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Babe, there is this place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Oh, oh, I can't get enough, get enough. Don't ever
Doesn't matter where you go in the world, there is an Irish bar.
I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. How can I tell you what I want to do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts of diamonds.
So we've just been walking down the seafront here in Kota Kinabalu. Bumped into some kids. They look well dressed, but they were just playing with litter down on the beach. And well, they were just asking for 1 Malaysian ringgit, which isn't a lot of money. It's like 30p. But it's quite sad that they were asking, because they weren't begging. He was trying to sell a photograph, so if I wanted to take a photograph, he wanted 1 Malaysian ringgit.
Babe, there is this place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just...
So we just got out the shopping mall and stumbled upon this playground and witnessed the worst ever game of Robot Wars.
To my heart, you don't see that I just want you. You give me things, but I don't care.
Moonwalk across the road here.
Oh.
So we are back in our hotel room now in Kota Kinabalu. We've had a nice afternoon just wandering around. The first impressions of the place, there's not a lot to do here. There's not a lot going on. It's clearly a developing city. The shopping malls blowing up everywhere. And the market was pretty cool to walk around. But other than that, we've just had some food, took a few photographs, and now we've just come back to the hotel and we're gonna have an early night. Tomorrow we're gonna get up and we're gonna go and do some island hopping on the speedboat and hopefully do the coral flyer zip line, which will be great fun. And then I'm really, really excited because I should be able to get my drone out tomorrow and do some aerial videography of the islands, which I'm really looking forward to. Anyway, hope you join us tomorrow. Good night.
We can go where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to